The ECUs installed on Honeywell HTF7000 series engines continuously monitor engine parameters and events during operation and periodically store the information in memory located within the ECU. At specified intervals, this data must be downloaded and reviewed. After downloading engine data using the EEI software, the data must be reviewed and sent to JetCare for analysis. JetCare standardizes the performance data by correcting it to standard day, sea level conditions for engine trend monitoring. JetCare then provides you and Honeywell with periodic reports for evaluation. EEI captures data for 100 flight legs on the HTF7000 series engine. When necessary, an advisory ICAS message is displayed indicating that a FADEC download should be performed. The FADEC download ICAS message is displayed when the ECU memory is about 75% full. Experience has shown that this occurs around 40 to 60 flight legs depending on the amount of data captured. However, many factors affect this number. The FADEC download ICAS message is also displayed when 2 or more pilot-initiated events are recorded or any automatic event is registered. Automatic events are usually accompanied by additional ICAS messages that may affect dispatchability. Once a FADEC download indication is displayed, a maintenance condition, or MCID, will be present indicating that the FADEC is full. Honeywell recommends downloading EEI data when the FADEC download ICAS message is displayed and as necessary to comply with Service Bulletin AS 907-72-9040. This Service Bulletin is applicable to the AS 907-1 model engine only. This also complies with the Honeywell MSP requirements. We'll show you how to review downloaded engine data and forward the information to JetCare. After engine data is downloaded, run the EEI program to review the data. The downloaded files are shown in their default location on the hard drive. Select the file or group of files you want to review. On the ECFR data screen, select an individual file to review. The engine information pertaining to the file is shown here. The data contained in the file is organized into tabs which you can view. On the Summary tab, you'll find the engine data and any comments pertaining to the download. The Engine Maintenance Data section gives you a general overview of the maintenance conditions contained in the file. Verify that all the boxes are green. A green box means that the data is not associated with any maintenance condition. A red box means that there is at least one maintenance condition associated with the data. If you see a red box, look at the associated tab for more information on the issue. If you notice any maintenance conditions that require attention, refer to your AMM or LMM or contact Honeywell. After reviewing the summary, check for chip detect events. Further action is required if more than 10 chip detect events are recorded. Refer to the latest revision of Service Bulletin AS 907-72-9040 for more information. Again, this only applies to AS 907-1 model engines. After reviewing the chip detect events, check for Automatic Performance Reserve or APR events. You can check for APR events in the Usage section. Every APR takeoff counts as 5 additional cycles and 10 additional engine operating hours. It is the operator's responsibility to record APR usage and apply the hour and cycle penalty specified in the LMM. Once you've reviewed for chip detect events and APR usage, you're ready to send the files to JetCare. JetCare is an independent company contracted by Honeywell to perform engine trend monitoring for HTF7000 engines. They trend the engine data and will report any significant engine performance shifts and make investigation recommendations. JetCare will not review or report any maintenance conditions or MCIDs, exceedances such as N1, N2, or ITT, pilot event data or automatic events, or uncommanded engine shutdowns. It's your responsibility to review the EEI data and take any necessary actions. Once you've reviewed the data, email the files to HTF7000@jet-care.com. Reviewing downloaded EEI data and periodic reports provided by JetCare will save you time and money by aiding in the planning and scheduling of engine maintenance and inspections. The reports also provide engine operational statistics and help in the troubleshooting of engine anomalies. In addition, they record engine exceedance values for proper logbook entries and follow-up maintenance. Regular reporting of EEI data to JetCare is required for operators enrolled in the Honeywell Maintenance Service Plan. For more details on engine downloads, refer to the Aircraft Maintenance Manual and the Engine Light Maintenance Manual. Additional information about EEI can be found in Honeywell publication SE 876-01-1148 and the EEI help file contained within the program. For technical assistance, contact the Honeywell Technical Operations Center.